Good morning, class. Let us discuss exercise 9.1. Well, we'll be discussing all easy questions first, then difficult, and last. The very first question it is, a circus artist is climbing 20-meter long rope. Well, 20-meter long rope means this will be your rope, which is tightly stretched and tight from the top of a vertical pole. So AB will be pole, and from this pole a rope is attached. So here I am writing is a string. Basically it is nothing but rope. So whenever you get a word rope or a string or ladder, it means hypotenuse is given to you. Now the question is, find the height of the pole if the angle made by rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So the angle made by rope with the ground, what is the ground? Ground is BC. और एंगल इनके बीच में कितने डिग्री का है? 30 डिग्री. योर एम इज टू फाइंड हाइट ऑफ द पोल. Now class, such type of the questions is asked in board exam for 1 mark only. Here, if you take the right angle ABC, it's very clear that this AB is perpendicular and this AC is hypotenuse. Immediately you should have to think that what is the relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse. And as we know, sine theta, it is nothing but perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That means I have to use here sine theta. Now x upon 20 means sine theta. Theta means angle, and what angle is given as 30 degree. Right? Now sine 30 degree value you have to learn it. The value of sine 30 degree is nothing but half. Already we have discussed in the previous class the different values. So sine 30 it is nothing but half. So x upon 20 will be equal to half. So x will be equal to 20 upon 2, that is 10 meter. Are you clear for the question? Now before discussing question number 2, let us discuss question number 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. आपने पार्क में देखा होगा छोटे बच्चों के लिए स्लाइड्स बनी होती हैं. वेल, एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने 2 स्लाइड्स जो है लगाई है, and it is given for the children below the age of 5 years. She prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. पहली स्लाइड जो है उसकी हाइट 1.5 मीटर है, and the second slide has the height as 3 meter, which is for the children those who are elder one. Fine. छोटे बच्चों के लिए छोटी हाइट का स्लाइड लगाया गया है, बड़े बच्चों के लिए बड़ी हाइट का स्लाइड लगाया गया है. Now angle between the ground and the slide, it is of 30 degree. In the second case, the angle between the slide and the ground, it is 60 degree. Your aim is to find length of the slide. What is the length of the slide? It is AC. What is the length of the slide? It is PR. Fine. Now let us consider the triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC, we wish to find AC. And what is AC? It is hypotenuse. What is AB? It is perpendicular. And we know the relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse is nothing but sine theta. So can I write 1.5 upon AC is equal to sine theta. Theta is angle 30 degree. And the value of sine 30 degree, it is half. So I can find the value of AC as 2 into 1.5, that is 3 meter. If you consider the second slide, again we wish to find PR. PR क्या चीज़ है? Hypotenuse. क्या given है? Perpendicular. And what is the relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse? It is nothing but sine. So I have to use here trigonometric ratio sine. So I can write 3 upon PR is equal to sine 60 degree. Well, the value of sine 60 degree, you have to learn it. Sine 60 degree, it is nothing but root 3 by 2. Fine. Now, 3 upon PR is equal to root 3 by 2. After cross multiplying, you can get the value of PR as 6 root 3 upon 3. Cancel it. You will be getting 2 root 3. So, length of the slide in one case it is 3 meter and in other case it is 2 root 3 meter. Are you clear for this? Come on the question number 4 of NCERT. The question says that the angle of elevation. The moment you get the word angle of elevation means आप नीचे हैं और नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ देख रहे हैं. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. Class, I am taking AB as tower. Fine. And if AB as the tower, this will be the top of the tower and this will be the foot of the tower. Now, angle of elevation of the top of the tower, मतलब आप नीचे खड़े हैं और क्या देख रहे हैं? टॉप ऑफ द टावर को. कितने डिग्री का एंगल बन रहा है? 30 डिग्री का. एंड यू आर सपोज टू फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द टावर. आर यू क्लियर फॉर द फिगर? आपको एक टावर दिया हुआ है जिससे 30 मीटर दूर आप खड़े हुए हैं. 30 मीटर अवे. अवे मीन्स फुट से 30 मीटर दूर आप खड़े हैं. वॉट आर यू वॉचिंग? यू आर वॉचिंग द टॉप ऑफ द टावर. कितने डिग्री का एंगल बन रहा है? 30 डिग्री. एंड वाई इट इज़ एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन? बिकॉज आप नीचे खड़े हैं और आप नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ देख रहे हैं. नाउ क्लास, परपेंडिकुलर you wish to find, base you are given, and again remind that between relation between perpendicular and base. Perpendicular and base, it means tan theta. So it means I have to use here tan theta. What is the perpendicular? It is h. What is the base? It is 30 is equal to tan 30 degree. And the value of tan 30 degree, again you have to learn it. It is nothing but 1 upon root 3. So in place of tan 30 degree, you will be writing 1 by root 3. And on cross multiplying, you get it as 30 upon root 3. And after rationalizing, you get the answer as 10 root 3. Well, one more easy question, that is question number 5. Question number 5, you are given a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Class, when you talk about the height will be always perpendicular. Don't take height as AC. Height is perpendicular height. So this is 60 meter and a kite is at the point A. Now, it is attached with the string. String means this hypotenuse, which is making 60 degree angle with the ground. Now you can see perpendicular given 60, hypotenuse we wish to find. Again we know relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse is nothing but sine theta. So AB upon AC will be equal to sine 60 degree. And the value of sine 60 degree you have to learn. It is nothing but root 3 by 2. So 60 upon AC will be equal to root 3 by 2, and after solving it you get the length of AC as 40 root 3 meter. Well, I hope you are clear for these questions. These questions will coming for 1 mark in your board exam also and in your PT1 also. Thank you.